Their gift. The ring is come to me. I sent it already. We will see. What is, I find that, what the, Mhm. Love letter, have more, ano talaga dito, oh. Tell me more, tell me more. Crystal. Diba magaling English mo, hindi ka. Hirap talaga mag-English yung mga Bisaya, guys. I can't find it. I don't know what the name of gift. Pasama mo na lang kaya ako. Buligan ka kabi mag-English. Ang gago. Another gift na lang Diego. Kiss me na lang. You will kiss my my face? Kiss me already na lang. Basang-basa na ako, guys. Ayoko na sa mundong ito. Gusto ko na sa mundo mo. No, 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 like that. This one or this one? This one, oh. Kiss me gift. This one, oh. Asa ka man, guys? Nang laba ko. Nang laba. Well, washing plate. Thank you, ID 39. Why I'm so salty ba? How much is the one? The one you want? Kilikili love. Worth of 500. Okay, if you don't have enough, then cancel. Hello. Toddy. Welcome back, Toddy. Hand washing clothes. Yeah, I don't have washing machine. 3.5. Yes. Buy 3.5. One piece. If you don't have enough diamond. Ang galing. Why ang galing ko? I don't washing machine. Do we get to know each other and we get married? Yes, I have ring na with Vigo. But the ring is gone. Basahan na yan nga. Basahan na yan. Ha? Ano ibig mo sabihin? Asa to si Robert? Napa si Robert diri? Mystery Man, are you still there? Lalaban mo. Ano yung lalaban ko? Chico, what are you doing? My future husband. Oh. Yes. Where are you from, Master Man? Tell mo, hello. Ganito ako maglalabag, guys. Parang pinapatuwad ako. Someone put in my pitut. Gabrati. Driving teacher, right? Kiss me gift, ano? Chega, kiss me gift. Click this one, oh. This is kiss me gift. Abisala amesta abeda. Hi, Goltab. Mahal feeling. Kalubak. Ala, oh my God! Okay. Alo, sorry, better luck. Follow ba? Na-follow naman kita, Goltab, oh. Ha? Well, better luck. Sorry, my love. My future husband. Sorry. Better luck.